Hello students, I am Munmun Kumari, your EVS teacher, and welcome to your EVS class. In our previous class, we have learnt about our body and external organs. Today, we will come to know about our sense organs and the internal organs and how should we take care of our body. So now let us read about our sense organs. What are sense organs? We have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So our 5 sense organs are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Our sense organ tell us about our surrounding. So our sense organs tells us what is happening in our surrounding. We have 2 eyes. See, we have 2 eyes. What does our eyes do? They help us to see things. Our eyes help us to see different things. We have 2 ears. See, we have 2 ears. What does ears do? They help us to hear sound. So our ears help us to hear different sounds. We have 1 nose. See, we have 1 nose. What does our nose do? It helps us to smell things. So our nose help us to smell things. We have 1 tongue. So we have 1 tongue. What does the tongue do? It helps us to taste things. So our tongue helps us to taste different foods. We can taste sweet, salty, sour and bitter things. So we can taste through our tongues. Our tongue decide whether the food is sweet, salty, sour or bitter. Our whole body is covered with skin. So our whole body, it is covered with our sense organ, that is skin. It helps us to feel things. Our skin helps us to feel things. Whenever we touch any hot or cold thing, we feel hot or cold. So the skin helps us to feel whether the thing is hot or cold. We can feel hard, soft, hot, cold, rough and smooth things or surfaces. So through skin we can feel things that are hard, soft, hot, cold, rough or smooth. Now let us learn about internal organs. Some parts of our body cannot be seen. So there are some parts of the body which cannot be seen with our eyes. These organs are protected by the skin and bones, and these organs are covered and protected by our skin and bones. Our skin and bones, they help and protect our internal organs. These organs work continuously and help us to stay alive, and the internal organs, they work in continuous manner and help us to stay alive. Some examples of internal organs are brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. So these are some of the examples of internal organs. Brain, heart, lung, stomach, liver, kidney. These all are example of internal organs. See, brain. Brain is the most important part of the body. Our brain, it is the most important part of the body. It helps us to think. It control all the actions of the body. The brain control all the action of our body. Whatever our body do, it control it. And also the brain help us to think. Our heart pumps the blood to all the parts of the body, and heart, it pumps blood to each and every part of our body. Lungs, Lungs help us to breathe the air in and out. Lungs help us to breathe. With the help of lungs, the air comes in and goes out, and it helps us in breathing. Stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure. Stomach is a bag-like structure and it helps to digest the food. Whatever food we eat, the stomach helps us to digest whatever is eaten by us. And after digesting, it gives us energy. Now let us take care of our body. And the internal and external organ, they help us in many ways. So we should also take care of our body. If we want to remain fit and healthy, we must take care of our body. So if we want to be fit and healthy, we should take care of our body. So some of the ways to take care of our body are: eat healthy food, drink plenty of water. So we should eat healthy food and drink plenty of water. We should avoid junk food. Take bath daily. We should take bath daily, and we should wash our hands before and after meals. If we take meals, we should wash our hands before and after it. Wash your eyes and rinse your mouth properly. We should always wash our eyes and mouth with fresh water. Do exercise daily. We should do exercise daily to be fit and healthy, and play regularly. We should play different kinds of games regularly. Watch television at fixed time. We should watch the television at fixed time. We should not watch it always, because it may damage our eyes. Sleep for 8 hours in the night. So whenever we sleep, we should sleep at least 8 hours for being fit. So students, we came to know about internal organs and sense organs and how we should take care of our body. So your homework is to go through the chapter and read the chapter aloud. In our next video, we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 2, growing up. So student, that's all for today. Thank you.